Okay.
So here's the joy that is our kitchen. Brian took down all the cabinets yesterday. You'll see the lovely amounts of dirt and grossness. I pulled out every nail, screw, molly, wall plate. I'm not sure who needs that much to hang up things, but that was my job yesterday.
Free blinds for anybody out front.
Oh yeah, brand new too.
Rail is down. What else? Ready to rip out some carpet and put in some floor. And the front yard. We'll show you the front yard later.
Do we need to make this more entertaining?
Oh, it's entertaining enough all on its own. Oh, all the caps, you took off all the electrical. Yep, ripped open the fireplace so we could finally see what was inside there.
Bonus for the day, no dead things.
No animals living in there. We're happy. Okay. Stay tuned. See more.